Hello everyone, welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. Today I will show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. So you can actually turn off the activity on Instagram so that everyone can see that you're offline or online. Now in this case, we're going to turn off the active status, so you're going to be offline. So as you can see, you can do this on your phone or you can do this on your computer. On your computer, go to the right here and then go to settings. And from settings, you need to go to privacy and security. And here, as you can see, show activity status. Allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So you will turn off your own activity status and you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. Now you can also turn off the active status on mobile. However, this is enough if you want to go and turn off the active status on Instagram. As you can see on Instagram, if you want to do this on your mobile phone, you go to more in the bottom left corner, go to settings, or just try to find out settings, and then you have how users or others can interact with you, and you have show activity status. And here you can actually turn off the activity status or active status on Instagram. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video helps you out, and we'll see you in the next video.